Cheyenne.
Hi, Mommy.
Are you excited for today's science project?
Yes.
So today we're gonna do marble painting, but not with marble, with shaving cream. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, here, mommy help you. You need more.
It's a swirl with a stick.
Yes. Okay. And then you're just gonna let it dry for a little bit, okay? So let it dry. See, look at the beautiful pattern. Does that look like a peacock?
No.
A blue peacock?
No.
No. Look, this looks like a rainbow over here. And then this one. So we are all done drying our marble painting. Look at all the beautiful color that showed up.
Is it going to turn into a circle?
No, look at all the different color. It's like a rainbow color that you got.
No, it's not a rainbow color.
No, what color is it?
I don't know which color it is.
You don't know which color? Look at this one. Does this one look like a peacock?
That's not look like peacock color.
No, what does it look like?
It looks like a raccoon.
It looks like a raccoon.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, look at all the paintings are dried now, and look all the colors that came through from our marble painting with shaving cream.
Is this dry?
Yes. Do you see all the pattern? Look at all the pattern on every single paper.
Is this dry?
Yes.
And is this dry?
Yes. What does it look like, Cheyenne?
And is this dry too?
Mm-hmm. Can you tell me what it looks like? What does your painting look like?
This looks like a raccoon.
Okay.
And this looks like a deer.
A deer?
Yeah.
Wow, what imagination. How about the blue paper?
And this looks like a bear.
A bear?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And this looks like an elephant.
I think that looks like a peacock color. Look at all the beautiful color that showed up here. See?
I do see.
We just use different color paper to see how the marble painting shows up in different color. Here you can see this one was white, that was blue, and then orange, and then another white.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you next